Hello, today we will guide you through how to import stock or shares to a Pi on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll take you from opening the Trading 212 platform to using the Import Investments option inside a Pi. This is helpful if you already hold shares in your Invest account and want them reflected in a Pi for easier tracking, automated rebalancing, or long-term planning without starting from scratch. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to the Trading 212 app website. If you're not signed in, log in securely and make sure you're in your Invest account, not the CFD section. The interface can vary slightly depending on updates or whether you're on desktop or mobile, but the core layout is consistent enough to follow along. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the Pi icon. This icon takes you to the area where all your Pis live. If you don't see it immediately, it may be within a navigation bar or labeled as Pis or Auto Invest. Clicking this will open your Pis dashboard where you can access existing Pis and explore templates or examples. From here, select the sample Pi. This is a convenient space to practice or set up a structure before you commit changes to a live, personal Pi. If you already have a Pi you intend to use, the same process applies. Opening the sample Pi simply makes it easier to demonstrate without altering an existing setup. Inside the Pi view, look for the three dots icon, usually in the upper corner of the screen. This is the menu for additional actions and settings related to the Pi you're viewing. It's a small control, but it contains several powerful tools you'll use to manage and organize your investments within the Pi. Choose the Import Investments option from that menu. This feature is designed to pull your eligible existing holdings from your Invest account into the Pi framework. The goal is to align what you already own with the Pi structure so that your current positions can be tracked and, if you choose, rebalanced over time. Importing doesn't automatically sell or buy by itself. It maps your present holdings to the Pi so you have a consolidated view. Follow any on-screen prompts carefully and review summaries before proceeding, especially if you see notes about how positions will appear or how fractional shares are handled. That's it. You've navigated to Trading 212, opened the Pis area, selected a Pi, accessed the Options menu, and used Import Investments. After this, you'll be better positioned to monitor your holdings in one place and make use of the Pi's tools for long-term investing discipline.